Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Look what we got right there. Big Draco. The bird that needs no introduction at all. That's right, Draco. The GOAT of all RC S.T.O.L planes. All right. All right, let's see what we can do with her. And we got, of course, we got reverse function. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps, flaps up. Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps.
Is that not beautiful? All right, here's what we're going to have to do. In order to demonstrate the short takeoff,
Landing
flaps all the way up. Okay.
Time remaining 5 minutes. Flaps up.
Gotta remember, this is a big old 6-cell bird.
Landing flaps.
Looks like a big old bat.
Flaps up.
Just come in sitting down like a pretty as you please, like a butterfly with sore feet. Now flaps are not in this time.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Oh man, what an incredible machine. Absolutely incredible machine.
Flaps up.
Handles that rough terrain with absolutely no problem at all.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Alright folks, there you go.
Motor off.
That is Draco in all of her glory. And one incredible RC plane. By far the GOAT of all S.T.O.L RC planes. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, safe family and friends and them planes. Bye-bye.